Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to adjust Microsoft Word if it's having an issue replacing the selected text after typing. So if you would rather it do that or not replace the selected text after typing, I'm going to show you guys how to turn that feature on or off. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to select the File tab up at the top left, go down and select Options. On the left side, you want to select the Advanced button, and on the right side where it says Typing Replaces Selected Text, either check mark that if you want to enable that or uncheck it if you want to disable that option, and then you would select OK to save it, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.